Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. And my channel is growing now with your support. Thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. What I'm trying to do with this video is to tell you a bit about how to download your or someone else's Instagram live video. Instagram live broadcast feature allows you to broadcast in real time to your followers as part of Instagram Stories, a feature released in August and currently used by 100 million people every day. Earlier, we showed you how to download Instagram live videos on your phone. And if you managed to save it, well, good for you. But what if you missed the saving option and want it back? And this little trick will save you a chunk by downloading an app and get your live videos back. And here's how you can download Instagram live videos that you forgot to save. If you share your live videos before saving, there isn't a way to get it back right from Instagram. We already mentioned that before. However, we now have found something that works finally. Now you can save Instagram live videos or stories of your profile or anyone who you follow. Before you start, you'll need this app called Video Downloader for Instagram from Google Play Store. Unfortunately, this app is not available for iPhones. And let's start the app. Once you finish downloading, open it and log into your Instagram account. And from here, you can select any story you want to download on your phone. But we are going to download live videos that weren't saved initially. At first, hit the search button at the top and search your username, enter your profile and tap the story. And select the live story you want to download by tapping it once. And your live video will be saved to the gallery in the folder named as your Instagram username. And the live videos will be visible once the video has been ended and shared by the account. Yeah, so I'll just tell that one more time. At first, finish downloading. Open it, log into your Instagram account, and from here you can select any story you want to download on your phone and hit the search button at the top and search your username, enter your profile and tap the story and select the live story you want to download by tapping it once, and your live video will be saved to the gallery in the folder named as your Instagram username. And live videos will be visible once the video has been ended and shared by the account. And that's it. That's really easy, right? So, the other thing is how to save someone else's Instagram live video. Or maybe I can ask a question. Can you save someone else's Instagram live video? After the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic, when everyone closed to their homes, there was a big increase in Instagram live broadcast. And many accounts try to gain more awareness by making live broadcasts with other accounts by taking advantage of each other's followers. In this environment where everything went well, the only problem was how to download live broadcast. Live streams are huge on social media, making things more up close and personal than ever before. And Instagram's live video feature, for instance, enables users to interact directly with creators, allowing viewers to comment and send their likes throughout the duration of the live stream. But can you save someone else's Instagram live video? If, say, Kylie Jenner or Chrissy Teigen throws your handle a shout out, you'll definitely want to archive the moment forever for, posterity and stuff. And according to Instagram, you can't technically save someone else's live videos. In a March 2017 blog post regarding the feature, Instagram said users have the ability to save their own live videos. You'll have the option to save your live video to your phone at the end of a broadcast, Instagram explains. While live videos will continue to disappear from the app when you're done, this update gives you the flexibility to hold on to your video and rewatch it later. The method for how to save your own Instagram live video is pretty simple. Post-broadcast, you can tap Save and then Done, downloading the video to your phone's camera roll. Unfortunately though, the functionality is still pretty limited as you'll only be able to save your video, not the comments, likes, number of viewers, or any live interactions that happened while you were broadcasting live on Instagram. And seeing that users are already limited in what Instagram will and won't allow to be saved for their own videos, you probably already guessed that saving someone else's Instagram live video is off the table. Currently, you're not even allowed to save someone else's already published Instagram story aside from grabbing screenshots. Thus, for the time being, it seems like live videos can only officially be saved by the streamers themselves. If you're absolutely hellbent on saving someone else's Instagram live video, there is a workaround at your disposal. First, if you have an iPhone, you can use the screen recording feature to record your favorite celebrities live stream. To do so, you just need to go to your phone's control center and tap on the record icon, one dot inside a circle, and it will then give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown until it begins recording what's on your screen. And if you want to save someone else's Instagram story, you can download the Chrome IG Story extension to your browser. From here, you can view user stories notification free. And in order to save the stories, right-click on the user circular IG Story icon and click Download. From there, you should have a file saved to your PC, and you can of course also take screenshots directly on your phone. In the grand scheme of things, Instagram's relatively late to the game. Facebook and Periscope have allowed live videos to be saved by their respective creators for some time, so it's anyone's guess as to why it took the app more time to get on board. Many think that saving the live videos defeats the whole purpose of it being live. But remember, Instagram live stories will still disappear after 24 hours like usual. For now, it seems that those looking to save a Kylie Jenner shoutout will have to be a little clever to save those live moments. And I think, yeah, we're done with this part, and I hope it's helpful for you. Thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.